The Dragon Palace Temple, also referred to as the Lotus Temple of Nagpur, is a Buddhist temple nestled in an area of Kamptee, the religious center of Buddhism, approximately 20 kilometers from Nagpur in Maharashtra, India. Established in 1999 via funding from Ogawa Society, a charitable trust based in Japan, on the land allotted by the mayor of Kamptee then, Sulekha Kumbhare, the splendid architecture echoes Japanese philosophy and spirituality and is dedicated to the Lord Buddha. It was inaugurated by Reverend Nichiki Kato of Japan and founded by Mother Noriko Ogawa Society. The society is also responsible for its provision of social services and established a mobile hospital, a welfare center, an orphanage, and a school for the poor. The foundation envisaged the temple as a place for Buddhist education and meditation. It is also symbolic of the camaraderie between the Indo-Japanese alliance. It serves as a pilgrimage site for devout believers and practitioners of the faith. The historical significance of the architecture lies in the favorable kinship between India and Japan and its cultural as well as spiritual exchange of Buddhist teachings. The temple was also recognized and awarded the International Award for Best Concrete Structure in the world, highlighting its architectural wonders across the globe. The architectural structure of the temple is adorned in white marble with brightly colored walls. The surrounding landscape boasts of a verdant garden and a tranquil pool of fountain enhancing its allure and tranquility. The complex surrounding the Dragon Palace hosts a single carved sandalwood idol of Lord Buddha within a meditation hall, exuding divine aura in terms of craftsmanship, symbolizing reverence and serenity.